Assalamu alaikum children. We will be learning stories from the Holy Qur'an. And today I would like to tell you about the life of Prophet Zakaria AS. Prophet Zakaria AS was Hazrat Maryam's uncle and a close friend of Hazrat Maryam's father, Imran anhu. Prophet Zakaria AS was a carpenter by profession. Allah sent him to guide the nation of Israel. Prophet Zakaria AS was Hazrat Maryam's guardian. He gave her a separate room in one of the temples so that she could worship Allah. Once, when Prophet Zakaria AS was old, he visited Hazrat Maryam AS and saw fresh fruits near her. He asked Maryam AS who had given the fruits to her. She told Zakaria AS that Allah had blessed her with those ripe fruits. Zakaria AS thought that he and his wife were very old to have children. But when Zakaria AS heard Hazrat Maryam's answer, he realized that Allah had the power to do everything. So Prophet Zakaria AS prayed to Allah to bless him with children. An angel told him, Zakaria AS, that his prayers had been accepted. When Zakaria AS asked for a sign, Allah told him not to speak to anyone for 3 nights. Zakaria AS did as he was commanded. After 3 days, Prophet Zakaria AS came out from his prayer room. He told his people to glorify Allah. After some time, Allah blessed Zakaria AS with Prophet Yahya AS. Yahya AS grew up to be a pious man. Once Zakaria AS found Yahya AS weeping near a graveyard. Yahya AS believed that those who weep and remember death will enter paradise easily.